Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about a very important concept with respect to whole numbers. Now, in mathematics, you can be asked to determine the place value of a digit in a given number, or you can be asked to read a given number. So, no matter how long a number is, this concept is going to simplify and make easy the way we can read a number or determine the weight or the place value of a digit in any given number. So, assuming you are given a number like 7854321, and you are asked to determine the place value of any digit in this given number. So the process is such that is the place value system is such that every digit in this given number falls under what we call a period, and every period have 3 digits in them. So we group all the digits in this number into a group of 3 digits, and we call that group a period. And all the periods are separated with a comma. And in some conventions, although they make use of spaces, but in this class, for the sake of this class, I'm going to use comma all through. Now, and these periods are ones period, thousands period, millions period, billions period, and trillions period, and so forth. So for the sake of this class, we're just going to stop at the trillions period. These periods go from right to left in any given number. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is a period. 1, 2, 3 is another period, and this is one digit in the next period. Then this period stands for ones period, this period, then the second period is the thousands period, and if you have other periods, you just keep going like that. Now let's segment our digits into the respective periods. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's all. So, and we said in every period the digits have a respective place value of 100, tens, and units. As we all know, when you have a 3-digit number, you say 100, tens, and units. So this is 100, tens, units, 100, tens, units. Then this is under the what unit position, since it is the first number in this period from the right. So it falls under the units period. Now, there is something very important to note. When determining the place value of the digits, we always put into consideration the name of the period. Now, this period is the ones period, this period is the thousands period, and 7 falls under the millions period. Now, to make our life more easier, we can say these commas will represent the name of the periods. But you notice that we don't have any comma before the first period. And that is very obvious because the units period, anything when you say ones period, you mean unit. And when you say unit, you just mean one. So anything in one place is just that same thing. So this number in one place is just this number. So it's very obvious that we don't have any comma here, not to talk of naming it the name of this period. So we start naming the commas from the second period, which is the first comma we have, and that will be the thousands period. Then the following comma will be the millions period. If you have a digit that is more longer than this, the periods will keep going. So now the place value of every digit is now obvious, because this period is a thousands period and this period is a millions period. So the place value of 7 in this number is units. So 7 units, that is 7 in one place, is still 7. And then the place value will just be the name of the period. Now take note, all the digits that are under the unit in every period just take the name of the period. So place value of 7 here is million, place value of 4 here is thousand, and the place value of 1 here is unit, because this is also the unit period. Very simple as that. So place value of 8 here is 100,000, place value of 5 here is 10,000, place value of 4 here is 1,000, place value of 3 is 100, place value of 2 is tens, and the place value of 1 is unit. So simply to read this number is very simple as just saying 7,854,321. Now let's see one more example. Now giving another number like 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 4, 7, 0. Now to determine the place value of the digits in this number, we segment the digits into their respective periods, starting from the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we stop here, and then we take note that every group has a place value of 100, tens, and units. Now starting from the first comma, we name our groups from the thousands, considering the fact that this first period is a ones period and it doesn't need to be mentioned, because anything in one place is still that same thing. Then we have thousand, millions, and that's all. So to read this number or to determine the place value of any digit in the number, just simple as taking the place value in that period and the name of the period. So the place value of 5 here is 100,000. The place value of 7 here is 10,000. The place value of 3 is millions, as we said earlier. Place value of 8 is thousands. You just take the name of the period when the number is under units. So the place value of 1 is 100 millions. As simple as that. Now let's take an example that consists of the billions and trillions. Now, given a number like this, to determine the place value of the digits in the number, we apply the same process. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we take note of the periods names. So starting from thousands, millions, billions, and trillions. And we can easily go further from here. So the place value of 1, I'm not going to tag the 3 digits in every period. So you should be able to do this with time. Now the place value of 1 here is under 10, so it's just 10 trillions. Place value of 4 here is trillions because it's under the unit, so we just call the name of the period. And then the place value of 3 here is 100 billion. The place value of 2 here is 10 billions. The place value of 1 here is billions. Place value of 7 here is 100 millions. Place value of 8. The place value of 8 here is 10 millions. The place value of 5 is millions. Place value of this first 0 is 100,000. Place value of the second 0 is 10,000. The place value of 4 here is thousands. Place value of 1 is 100. That of 7 is tens. That of 9 is units. So that is as simple as that. And reading this number is very simple as just saying 14 trillion 321 billion 785 million 4,179. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Make sure you like this video, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe, as I am going to be posting very beneficial concepts in mathematics and even science. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.